You need to cover the upper part to, okay, like this. You need to cover the upper part like this to avoid the this one. There are lots of fruit flies are there. Okay, so to avoid this, you need to keep the field. This, you remember what you did in this operating this? You did what you did in unit A. What you did in unit A?
I put the waste and then manure and then I put the fertilizer.
Okay, now what you have to do is you need to repeat that same step every day. Okay, this is today, right? What we did today is done. Okay, now tomorrow, well, you need to do same thing. Okay, so first what you have to do is you need to take out this paper. Okay, take out the paper, put the some of the kitchen like waste materials. Okay, on top of that, what you have to do, you need to put the some of the manure. Okay, and then use that paper again. Okay, you need to use this paper again until it become a very like wet one. Okay, if that become a very wet one, you can put it in here and you can use a new paper. Is that clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to repeat this every day. Okay, you need to repeat this every day. That means you need to fill this. You need to fill this tipper. Okay, you need to repeat this every day and you need to fill this bottle. Okay. Okay, so now we are done with that.
I should add manure every time.
Sorry.
I should add the manure every time.
Yes, yes, you can add them in a very small amount. Okay. And you, okay, so when you are done with this all things, then what you have to do is you need to mix them. Okay, you need to mix them like this, like this. Okay, you need to mix them and then cover them with using the filter papers. Only so it will avoid some of the fruit flies. Yes, Abhishek, what look at here. You need to do it every day, right? So when this, okay, when this bottle become a full, then what you have to do is you need to add this one. You need to add the compost speed up. Add the compost speed up, and also you need to add the some of the. Okay, so you need to add this some of the compost. Okay, compost speed up, and also some of the manure at the finally.